It is Saddick Adams. Yes, supposed to be more Angel TV. It was more line go quapine. Now, and some of catch a gun and penny for the day. And yes, no for accident here. AC Ofankor and Rano. As in a now, would the mutual be 15. I want prepare to the baby. Now, Saddick Adams, on accident to the course and a street light. None so no obedient at the Canadian at a gun and penny for now. Maybe clean down to your level, no watch watching at the mammy. Our comment section. I hope you have a any demo. Over subscribe button so that will better notification conflicts update na better why and mama comment section over so no ashamono as any back and make am for gov't limited and the amount all kinds of problem work be almost so your honor opo be na tunsu e the amount e wo fie school mu sorry be bia gov't e be say adwuma e the amount na dun so say cause no person about solar panel so omo e bi adwuma mu wo fie watena be bia he school kese hotel kra na bo solar panel e the amount omo say power plant installation account omusa to swimming pool say ade bi afa engineering hu bi ade contact gov't limited omu number no enegu ase no fa na afro na eno montwe enkom no be boss account omu services e clean na say very affordable Ghana ha be ofre bia no obeba abe odwuma no e de amount now let's go straight so we say odum say enra an accident bi esi e wo Greater Accra ofre poku ase e ko achimota on say in the middle of your Ofankor barrier ye Ofankor barrier e ho na accident esi ye anyina ne say start here ahomache be 3 am ana tricycle di moto ni bi ana that sprinter bi ebe ball ye the sprinter the ball okada no okada round owu ye it da ahomache ni police for aba o be hweso afa emu ne di akono ye pictures eyen kokwasa sama tipper truck be so e di speed e betwi for mu nyina so I am tro say ho no on say from Pokuase to Achimota e ho nyina yetum everyone says happy na ebi ofu say the course here a street light enya adwuma because if you all nyina there and I say highway because o ma ye quantity that so abi more or less as asphalt it o mo bad there o mu tia so pa
say Ghana
you know how ben na okay what plan so
yeah street light ni nyina off street light ni nyina anya adwuma tika street light ni sen a anka obi bakra na kaja ene ne light na waso no ebe mate no ama wahu but o ma no asem no
light no I feel no plan na abesi Pokuase no enya adwuma ento metimi aye bibia fasa light ne ho a eye ento kitaka na sabia light na nya meaning say onam a o life no is at risk it is sere omo hwe na omo nya light no adwuma ma ye do mase why
and say midnight twice say midnight no kwan so esunye busy easy passage it no mo ba speed and nam some that tipper track no ebe ya mum e ma na say we no akofo abufu e de but you know street line and some ye kan wan say mikra obeka ya 2025 mo February abra the president John Dramani Mahama Emma Linda Okulu o man appointment as Greater Accra regional minister obeka say which Ghana for no obedu anu kira ye obeka kire say na memo under her watch as Greater Accra regional minister obeka sure say within 2 weeks equal month interval no 70% of the 40 street lights no Greater Accra no there obeka sure say obe replace ni nyina street light be a Accra I said there Linda Okulu beka kire say obeye ni nyina o can same way February 2025 apply man appointment anso wow o sabedu anu sabe kire biem obedu anu sabe kire ye on the 12th of June 2025 no sabe ka kire say within 2 weeks all the municipalities na Accra no the metropolitan na Accra no any district assemblies all council kan nyina boy 29 within 2 weeks obe supply omunyi na with street light it is Accra base heaven Accra base Dubai bebia be hile ye han kwa be ho no ye twande we ya bibia mente ko even ko 3 September mukura no onua TV for be ye update e ma obo come adwen e de kire the regional minister say no light na away obe kan say we no 6 months down the lane yante hwe so eniama e kwasai o ma come adwen e de kire the regional minister no e ma anso ha o Ekosi on Tuesday 16 December 2025 kona no Linda Okulu ya sa be she bobiem o sa be ka kire say that street light 29 street light was supply ko all the 29 MMDs na e work Greater Accra region mo no o kan na just ye hu hwe no o sa be see su biem say o be sa replace ni nyina baby street light any bia no o be make say ebi be ko ho no mo o sa be see su biem e say o the street light e be sa ba na say mami o be da ne can promise Ebon kwa na wo hihye. Obeda ne can promise. Ebo hye nko na ma mi hihye. E ma be ka kra na 2026 mu epu mu kobichei make a post be ewo ne Twitter. And what say, not a single street light is working from Malam Junction to New Botiano, leaving the entire stretch in complete darkness. Let's free Malam Junction. Ko Botiana, ko bi chere say street light o nyina anya adwuma. Iti ade san honomon anadwo esum kabi se wo car na wo de ba wo street light na wada say anya adwuma wo nam ha no bi de car be bow car mu. Ama honomon de nipa ewu no enyi be kuma nipa car bow mu kuma anadwo bre no. Enyi nipa kuma. Ko bi chere make this as a post. Ama June 2026 mu kra no. Adom TV for no omu bisa kwan say say see ano from Pokuase to Achimota no. A hospital na say ne ne dey ko ade san. Ho nyina esum kumo.
Say Kobiche Atro Twitter say not a single street light is working from Malam Junction to New Botiano, leaving the entire stretch in complete darkness.
Oh, enyampa.
But social comments.
Greater Accra regional minister so Ukraine a bright no munyaisa.
Because what kind of comments? Obviously, driving in Accra at night is an extreme sport. Obviously said the darkness starts from Medina, Atomic, Oponglo, La Paz, Fasiman, and finally Mila.
Enyanokre. Honorable Lindo Kulu. Greater Accra regional minister won't cry.
Mo friend na yemi.
And a light in the baby.
Na dey. Light in Ghana phone one.
Lindo Krobabro Owokroma. Sister.
Na ya used to cry near light in was a light or ho.
Miss Minister so amakroma strength enyanokre.
Na wo baby on light or ho.
Me ho. Na Lindo Kulu ni baby am ti ono. And I no nimsa kan cry ho de.
There's a light in one. Abra, Yami, I don't watch na Yemishia.
Mamma, don't go see it. You said that what's in the bet in a hand.
Also, wouldn't they one
you need to table those ones. One was the end. It is street light, no. If you have funny man, papa.
Light don't to be pajama.
You to be pajama for your
why are not with the way?
Yeah, pajama street light, no. What look at say promise yes the whole crying
1 month
the whole crying be bright.
Yes, I'm money too.
Where is the brightness?
Brighten the corner where you are.
Honorable in the where brightness no he. Adent ya. Nana mon cry hasha na ya ne wa ha.
What's the highlight?
Na ne wa ha Pokuase. Na ka kwadwere obi. Enye Pokuase nko a o. Wo de fa eno ano so de hwa de. Wo wo aye friend saying Atimota fa main road. Ekwa akopie Pokuase na hwade darkness everywhere fabanya to ablekuma to your friend is a Pokuase na hwade light na wen where are the lights where are the municipality executives where are they
so oni omo na eye adwuma no
into the light na wen so ati ase kasasa akaka yes boy kasasa beso ya kasama assurances put it into action na koye problem na the partner sumu koba obi to be too highlight to any na do ka kwasem na mu obi cross kwan nti wadar masa wona manajo a atade tuntum
mense bi
ye colleague ne wo adwuma me mo ne tin ka djura ne ba e wala ba de area ho maku abai wa no ya na no ya ayi police forms ni abe ba ekwa Philibie so atiase ka djura no e na nipa ne dwane a hit and run e na ase cast so de be fa kwada ne so na ye ka minister to so abrighting crew enkra nyina etin carry light on for the boy yanko bi kra dwen beba so say bibi asia ma nipa kɔ ho ye kɔ ho ye koda na wote adwumam ye fe so ba oba baiwa wa wie senior high ekɔ 19 20 years ka ayɛ ma koda na ku no because of darkness minister to office kasa na ene de
abla o chan be share
nsia na de sum no mo mfa light ni mesi so
ana
Robusia ya amfo yani anko hono mo ema enam so accident kese we esi biaye na manfo complain say hono mo no street light ho nya adwuma ade san ho sum e wo sempanifo ani ko hono mo no
yes ebusia kame ho na yemfa Achimota main road anajo from Achimota new plan to Pokuase na yemhwe se ne kwan ne tie at night say you can road safety ho asema aya na amanfo dwen se ebia ye de ani esa mpanifo ana se ebi kura se ye politics na den na abanya etwa mu no ewo ho wanka menua accident ne nim particles Ghana ye kwan so ne du anajo a esum hwe street light no poles ni si ho but ewuma no akosia kanea kakra ewuma na atiko baby a nkanea eni ekwan so ewa Accra ha no edoso sen baby a nkanea ewo eno ena wo se nyina ye ya no ba ko ne atwe mpanifu adwenti so se nyina ye pese ye promote safety na accident a ekum Ghana de hye esotia enye driver ne nko a ewo se ye make sure se ekwan na ye nam so no so ya ye ne yie e de ama driver no afa so na asumduaba hwe wo de hwe video yi din wo bo se track bi nam ho a wafa equipment anajo reflector bumper reflector ne we ebi ni ho nti se wonam na nkane ani kwan yi so na kopie wi so anajo a ubewu me say accident do a ekum Ghana de hye no bebre na e preventable but esan ye negligence ye bu ye ni agunyama bi so ama ye hu se street light kwa ni kwan so ye normal enye normal the moment a esum ebeba no wo se ye hwese ya light up ye road no ema ekwan so ada ho eno so nti na nanse ya driver fo e de omo pe etoto nkane ahoro de bom ka omo se mo hu kwan mu yes and it's true omo hu kwan mu nti omo so to nkane a emra engine tum de bobom ka ho na abo ma omo kane asere ma mo hu kwan mu nti imagine se Achimota main road mumpo e city mumpo no na like street light post isi ho na nkania eni so ade ba ko America ne se ye to prepaid ye tua electricity bill a de bia ye wo percentage bia ye de call for street lights Ghana fo tua akomapem obi an complain da say ye tie no afri mu because there is no street light ye tua pa but ubedu kwan so no na street light na nya adwuma we ekuma manfo bebre na nsenya Achimota main road ya tanka bi muniye driver no yebusa no se wanhu ne ntem na trailer bi asesi wanhu ne ntem nkane a wo ho a nka obehu ne ntem saa nyoma we na se yemu bi ye de platform si ho na ye ka ho asema wo a wo hwe o se video you like na so share wo do wano tum bi na eboa ma empanifuo ehu se oman na omubu no yen na mo som yen nti na yen pe na emra no gitum no omonye ma yen na yen nyina ye ho nto yen me say accident de enim particulars enim se we ye party A enim se we ye party B se ekwan ne nya enye ma yen nyina nti ye besre mpanifo se Ghana roast at night no a death trap
ya to nase ama accident esi ama nipa ewu no enye nipa kuma na eno ana Saddick Adams we like oh ni go fupa cause all started in Casa and some kind say Ghana mpanimfo ebi bu agimi Saddick Adams like na we ene semo a wa be kan go from emo
no credit nyame anim ne ye mpanyimfo ni bi sabe omagimi sabe because bibia ni we betimi oh ye wajimi problem yesu bai no wansa jimi ma anopai medical mam won say ma obia nyema no nsi bone na mobekaya accident ni si da bai enra achi mobekaya me pa enra achi anopa mebeka se ekakakra bi nka menya nkwanhia wo sa kwan ne so nam se street light ba kokora ni so mokaya enra achi ena me kotwa sa video ne se de 2 minutes no me ana me twa video na be bo wo TV so se enye asemu a TV fo no ebo sa video live minim se mene nana ne ka ho asemu a na ya kira wo ha e ka de enka me de kowura ka biase na me lucky ni se na me nko speed nti mani ba me ho so se car saisi Achimota no ena me slow down eno ye 3 days ago ade chi ye mse sa da na najo ena nkwanhia no esiye na ye nipa du ena omahwe omonkwa asat enra dodo na ada ya sabia asama mekan memo obi mfa no abufuo so but se wo free poku ase na wo sane aba Ofankor na wo tisi Ofankor aba besi Achimota old station ekwa di kosi tesa no ho no baby a street light no started so free Tesano police station. And from that stretch, from Pokuasi interchange eba besi Tesano police station no more than 500 debi na Pokuasi wa de nkra inner lane and outer lane no mekai over 286 meka chemo na one and aso kakra into 285 and so enti sa we driver ni na ahomache a ebo sisi no video na me show ye nie me ana me twae after say e ka kakra bi nka me de me car e kɔhye track bi ana asɛe esi kwan no na me nko speed de enti ame esa ehu ame because anajo pa anke o se me ko speed no e kwan ni so ehu e na omo ba na omo to omo kania na uhu nti na mato mebo se opanyin bi our responsibility e was our kwan ne so no enu amebusa eyewitnesses ni bebre e na bebre nso ahye se ba bia abobo ya ne se si ye no se wo sane from achimota ho na ba e be hedin se wo behu abra light ni ho e na unfortunately abobo ya nso de oni warning triangle e na on say ni light reflector wa chiri enti ba bi osi no first car ne de kobo mu no ehon no so de we asia no second car no ba unhu na the danger is that car bi nya to ne light to wani ba unhu wani mbiem enti first one the boom second one the boom third one the boom na ya homache anajo aye ade be chi ahomache e na omu nyina de da ho ama ade chen but the fortunate or unfortunate thing is omo tie radio ni omo studio ha be di madanse say me be show sa video no efre MC ya omo wo ho e ma omi pakra bo mu di say MC mienu na hwe sa kwan no say de ekoso wo kwan ne so no kwanhia betimi asi ade anche nipa du obi ase eye street light na eni ho no e na abobo ya ase say street light wo ho a enye den a wo behu no credit nyame anim ne yempanyimfo ni bi sabe omojimi sabe because bibia ni we betimi ye wajibie problem yesu ba no wansa jimi ma anopai medical mam won say ma obia enye ma no nsi bone ma hu se producers ne pie ba wo de momra me ne mo be ka de wo se ka se word na me kan no na mo mpa sabe ana omunyuma ye bi omudie no anopai me ra ho because it could have been me ehona na me kotwa video no ana me be send a warning signal say over 200 to 3 semede Achimota O station there now be Tesano police station ka ho a na say more than 500 street lights a very there how many a very dangerous portion of a road because a highway obia e was so coast speed and at the amount coast speed they say u free hono na wo transition to Ofankor ebeko Pokuasi interchange yaye into obia e kwa o coast speed say we a penny and ram say MC no a omo wo ho no ene nipa omo hwese so omo ba ho a enanka nipa omo ho no ahwe anka ombebo omo because oma kasa cars bonipa wo ho but me can e bonipa no kra de en ha me because omo wo e ha me anyway footbridge wo ho a nipa ne mfro but esumu a e wo Pokuasi interchange okwaya mampanyi kofo ye ba ba si Ofankor barrier etwamu aba Neoplan etwamu ade ba Achimota O station was Achimota O station one ko Neoplan the footbridge ni ho me se car se bonipa wo ho no e kwan ni so say tum enti wontimi kan cham say this is Greater Accra. What is greater about this Accra? Yes. Question Amibusan said, what is really greater about an Accra that over 2 years on a particular stretch, a major highway, cars all the regions up north, omoko interior of the region, omoko middle of the region, plus nipa omote amasama na ye the largest constituency after Adomeko Penyah. Nipa egu amasama se kura ya the largest constituency. Na watra ko nsawom omo nyina nam kwan yi so nkura egugu ho na se MC bi ti ho na street light enya adwuma but enya concern regional minister Linda Okulu nipa edu ene omomoja gu nsa so oni mampanyi mahama because it is the mampanyi na ebia obema to me e dia be di regional minister no a common street light yanka says AI ebe determine car bia aircon no e kwan ni ho but car no timi ko AI China yanka se mo nwen sa mo adwen nso sa yes yempanyi fo no o ma adwen nso te se China fo no adwen no o mo di design a building na uhu se si ho but ensi ho no there be ye demand kese sa se
ubet ma chere wa adwen dia mame e wo comment section hi Penyah Block Media Accra.